Are you tired of being locked in? Do you want to get out where there are no restrictions and no limitations? So what are you waiting for? Make it happen! Grab your backpack and head out into the wild. Camping under the starry sky has never been so attractive. Get back to your roots and become one with nature. But before you head out, check out our list of the top camping essentials that will make your stay even more enjoyable. Gearlight LED Headlamp Flashlight S500. These super bright LED headlamp flashlights come in a pack of 2, have a runtime of up to 45 hours, and offer great light for any outdoor activities. Weather and shock resistant, they are the perfect addition to your camping trip. Gearlight LED Tactical Flashlight S1000. This ultimate camping accessory comes in a pack of 2 and can light up the entire campsite or focus on objects up to 1,000 feet away. Virtually indestructible, it will provide light whenever needed. Vont LED Camping Lantern. These super bright lanterns come in a pack of 2 and are must-haves during your camping trip. If used for a romantic dinner or to light up the whole campsite, the brightness can be easily adjusted. They fit easily in your backpack and last over 90 hours. Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock. Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock. Lightweight, compact, and super strong are just some of the benefits this high-quality hammock has to offer. If alone or with your partner, you will fall in love with this product. Find 2 suitable trees, and you can lay back and relax within a minute. The Coleman Camping Chair. Sit back and relax in this cushioned camping chair. Adjustable arm heights, side pockets, and mesh cup holders make it a must-have for every camping trip. Sawyer Products Insect Repellent. Don't let mosquitoes get the best of you. Be well prepared and cover your clothing, gear, and tents with this highly effective repellent. It lasts up to 11 hours and will keep annoying insects away. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Running out of clean water during a long hike? With this water filter, you can remove bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from up to 4,000 liters of water. This will make sure you can keep going, even when your water bottle runs dry. Intex Delux Comfort Airbed with internal pump. Want to enjoy the same comfort you have at home? Then go for the Delux Airbed. The internal pump will inflate and deflate the airbed with a switch of a button. It only takes 3 minutes before you can lie down. Sleepingo Camping Sleeping Pad. Need something light, small enough to fit into your backpack, but still comfortable to recharge your batteries during the night? This comfortable 2-inch thick sleeping pad only weighs 14.5 ounces and packs down to the size of a thin water bottle. Perfect for backpacking trips. Oaskys Sleeping Bag. This 3-season lightweight sleeping bag will keep you warm during your camping nights. Enjoy a good night's sleep after a tiring day of hiking. It is easy to carry and is available in various sizes and colors. Coleman Portable Cooler. Keep your drinks cold. This 9-quart capacity beverage cooler can hold up to 9 cans or a full meal. Durable and easy to handle. Titan Deep Freeze Cooler. Allows quick access to food and drinks with the zipperless lid. The high-performance insulation will keep your drinks safe and ice cold. Coleman Portable Butane Stove. Want something warm to eat during your trip? This portable stove fits up to a 10-inch pan, and the adjustable burner will allow for precise temperature control. Comes with a carry case for easier transportation. Stanley Camp Cook Set. This set with a 24-ounce kettle and 2 cups is a great lightweight cooking pot for backpacking trips. From a hot meal, coffee, or just boiling water, you can prepare it all. an ideal accessory for your hiking trip. Ka-Bar Tactical Spork. The 2-in-1 Tactical Spork is perfect for occasions like camping, hunting, or fishing. The sturdy polymer plastic is durable and long-lasting. Includes also a knife that is hidden inside the spork. Spring-assisted knife. This pocket folding knife will make every boy and man happy. Available in 3 designs, you'll get a reliable partner for your hunting, hiking, or fishing trips. The black-coated stainless steel is an excellent balance between hardness and corrosion resistance. RoverTac Multitool. This 14-in-1 compact kit contains 14 different tools, including a hammer, axe, pliers, knife, saw, and more. It's durable and ready for heavy duty. Fantastic for any trip into the wilderness. RONXS lighter. This lighter with its flexible neck will help you lighting up your camping trip. The chargeable device can be used over 600 times on a full charge. Its wind and splash-proof design will help you lighting your fires easily. Redcamp Military Folding Shovel. This carbon steel tool is great for your trips. Folds into a very small size and can be used for digging, sawing, cutting, and shoveling. The head can be used straight or at a 90-degree angle. VenturePal 40L Lightweight Hiking Backpack. This high-quality light backpack with a weight of only 0.7 pounds will be your ideal travel companion. Tear and water-resistant nylon fabric, heavy-duty metal zippers, and bat tacks at major stress points make this a great, long-lasting backpack. We hope this list gave you a good overview of what's available on the market. Did we miss any essential camping equipment? Please let us know in the comment section below. Enjoy watching and enjoy traveling. See you next time.